Welcome to Replo 101. Today we're introducing you to Replo, a powerful tool designed to help you create engaging e-commerce storefront experiences. From high-performance landing pages to product pages and beyond, all tailored to fit your website. In this course, I'll guide you step by step to get your Replo page published, optimized, and delivering value. When you log into Replo, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can manage everything, from workspaces and projects to billing and inviting members to collaborate. We have lots of other guides on these features, but let's skip this for now and dive right into the Replo editor. Let's take a tour of the editor. Up here we have the header navigation bar where you can access the Replo marketplace, manage page settings, share, publish, and preview your page. Over here on the left you have the Pages panel, where you can manage different content types like product templates, sections, and blog posts. This is the Layers panel, which allows you to see all components inside your page. Below, we have the Components library, where we keep all our building blocks, including basic elements and pre-designed templates. And finally, our Settings modal allows us to update things like the URL and SEO settings. Over on the right, we have the Properties panel, where you can style the content and configure interactions on your page. The last section in the editor tour is our Canvas toolbar. You can preview your page, change what device is currently in view, undo or redo changes, change the canvas zoom level, and integrate Replo AI into your page. I know that was a lot, but that should be enough to get you started. We have a more in-depth editor tour that you can find in the description. One really powerful feature in Replo is the multi-device editing tool. As you can see, we can view and edit desktop, tablet, and mobile views simultaneously, making it super easy to ensure your pages look great on any device. Now that we've gone over the essentials, let's create a test page. Click on the plus icon next to the Pages section, and we'll call the page Exciting Lander. You can change whether you want the header or footer from your Shopify store to be shown in the page down in this section. Go ahead and create the page now. Let's add a few basic components to our page. First, I'm adding a container, which acts as a foundational block for our content. Next, let's add some text. I'll type in Welcome to Replo 101 in the text field. Finally, let's add a carousel component. It's a great way to show off your products. Carousels work like slideshows, but we won't go too deep into customization just yet. Our goal is to get you comfortable and up and running quickly. Next, let's throw in a pre-built template section. Templates are great for getting your design started in case you need some inspiration. Let's drop this one in. Once we're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish. Press the Publish button up here and your page will be live for the world to see. You can see our text, Welcome to Replo 101, our banner carousel, and the template we added. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we created a brand new page, added content, and got it ready for your customers. In the next part of this series, we'll dive deeper into adding sections, editing elements, and really making your pages pop.